Welcome students. Today we shall study Science 2. We thank God for the grace and blessings we receive from Him every day. We will do Chapter 7, Introduction to Microbiology from Science 2. Microbiology is a branch of biology that deals with microorganisms. Applied microbiology is a branch of biology in which the study of enzymes related to some prokaryotic and eukaryotic microbes, proteins, applied genetics, molecular biology, etc. is performed. This is called applied microbiology. Enzyme is a substance produced by a living organism which acts as a catalyst to bring about a specific biochemical change. Applied genetics is a branch of biology in which development and application of scientific procedures and technologies are done to manipulate the genetic materials to alter the heredity of a cell or an organism. Molecular biology is a branch of biology that deals with the structure and functions of macromolecules like proteins, nucleic acids, etc., which are essential to life. This study is used for the society, and various products like food and medicines are produced on large scale with the help of microorganisms. Industrial microbiology. This science is related to commercial use of microbes in which various economic, social, and environment related processes and products are included. Various microbial processes useful for this purpose are carried out. Microbial processes means the process in which microorganisms or their parts are used to make or modify products, or in which new microorganisms are developed for specific uses. The main features of industrial microbiology are various productions with the help of fermentation process. For example, bread, cheese, wine, raw materials for chemicals, enzymes, medicines, etc. Use of microbes for garbage management and pollution control. Next, products. Dairy products. Since ancient days, milk is converted into various products for its preservation purpose. Example, cheese, butter, cream, yogurt, etc. Water content and acidity of the milk changes during formation of these products, and texture, taste and flavor is improved. These processes are performed on large scale with more skill. For production of most of the milk products, bacteria in milk itself are used. Only cheese is produced with the help of fungi. Basic process for production of yogurt, cheese and cream is same. Milk is pasteurized at the beginning to destroy unwanted microbes. It is then fermented with the help of lactobacilli. In this process, lactose sugar of the milk is converted into lactic acid, and milk proteins are coagulated with the help of lactic acid. Coagulation means the process of a liquid changing to solid or semi-solid state. Besides, compounds with taste and flavor are also formed. Example, diacetyl has the flavor of butter. Yogurt products. Yogurt is a milk product produced with the help of lactobacilli, which is inoculant. Inoculant means a substance which is suitable for inoculating, means for vaccinating. For maintaining the protein content, condensed milk powder is mixed with milk to be fermented for industrial production of yogurt. Milk is boiled, and once it cools to warm temperature, bacterial strains of Streptococcus thermophilus and Lactobacillus delbrueckii are added to it in 1:1 proportion. Lactic acid is formed due to Streptococcus that makes the proteins to gel out, that gives dense consistency to the yogurt. Acetaldehyde-like compounds are formed due to lactobacilli that gives characteristic taste to the yogurt. Nowadays, various fruit juices are mixed with yogurt to impart different flavors. Example, strawberry yogurt, banana yogurt, etc. Shelf life of yogurt and its probiotic properties can be improved by pasteurization. Butter. Two types of butter, like sweet cream and cultured, are produced on large scale. Microbes are used for production of cultured variety. Cheese production. Cheese is produced on large scale from the abundantly available cow milk all over the world. First, chemical and microbiological tests of milk are performed. Some colors and microbes like Lactobacillus lactis, Lactobacillus cremoris, and Streptococcus thermophilus are mixed with milk. It imparts sourness to the milk. After this, to impart a dense texture, whey, that is water in yogurt, needs to be removed. An enzyme rennet obtained from alimentary canal of cattle was being traditionally used earlier. However, an enzyme protease is an enzyme which breaks down the proteins, which is obtained from fungi, is used at present to produce vegetarian cheese. The whey is separated from yogurt. Then process of production of cheese is started through steps like cutting the solid yogurt into pieces, washing, rubbing, salting, and mixing of essential microbes, pigments, and flavors. Then cheese is pressed and cut into pieces and stored for ripening. During industrial production of milk products, strict cleanliness and sterilization is essential as bacteria can be attacked by viruses. Hence, virus-resistant varieties of bacteria are developed. Use of mutant varieties of bacteria has been increased. Artificially, some strains are developed that will help to avoid unnecessary steps or materials. Freshly prepared cheese is always soft, for example, cottage cheese, cream cheese, etc. On storing for 3 to 12 months, semi-hard cheddar cheese is formed, whereas after ripening for 12 to 18 months, very hard cheese called Parmesan cheese is formed. Probiotics. Probiotics are also milk products, but they contain active bacteria. These are substances which stimulates the growth of microorganisms, especially those with beneficial properties. Example, Lactobacillus acidophilus, Lactobacillus casei, Bifidobacterium bifidum, etc. These microbes maintain the balance of intestinal microorganisms, that is, increase the population of microbes helping the digestion and decrease the population of harmful microbes. Probiotic products are available in various forms like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, dark chocolates, miso soups, etc. These products form the colonies of useful microbes in alimentary canal and control other microbes and their metabolic activities, improve resistance and lower the ill effects of harmful substances. Useful microbes become inactive due to antibiotics. Probiotics make them active again. Nowadays, probiotics are used for treatment of diarrhea and treatment of poultry also. Bread. Different types of breads are produced from flour of cereals. Dough is formed by mixing of baker's yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, water, salt, and other necessary materials are added with flour. Due to fermentation of carbohydrates by yeast, sugar is converted into carbon dioxide and ethanol. Dough rises up due to carbon dioxide and the bread becomes spongy. Compressed yeast is used in commercial bakery industry. It is available in dry granular form for domestic use. Yeast is produced for commercial use and contains various useful contents like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals. Due to this, bread and other products produced with the help of yeast become nutritive. Ingredients like vinegar, soya sauce, monosodium glutamate, that is Ajinomoto, that are used in presently popular Chinese food are produced by microbial fermentation. Vinegar production. Vinegar is used in each country of the world to impart sour taste to food materials and for preservation of pickles, sauce, ketchups, chutneys, etc. Chemically, vinegar is 4% acetic acid. Ethanol and alcohol is obtained by fermentation of carbon compounds like fruit juices, maple syrup, sugar molasses, starch of roots with the help of yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Molasses is a thick dark brown juice obtained from raw sugar during the refining process. Mixture of bacterial strains like Azotobacter and Glucanobacter is mixed with ethanol for its microbial degradation. Acetic acid and other byproducts are obtained through it. Acetic acid is separated from mixture by rarefaction. Rarefaction means reduction of an item's density. Acetic acid is bleached with the help of potassium ferrocyanide. Then it is pasteurized. Finally, very small quantity of sulfur dioxide gas is mixed to produce vinegar. Soya sauce is produced by fermentation of the mixture of flour of wheat or rice and soya bean with the help of fungus Aspergillus oryzae. Production of beverages. Microbes are also used in the production of some beverages. For example, Lactobacillus brevis is used for coffee. Candida, Hansenula pichia, Saccharomyces is used for the production of coca. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is used for the production of wine and cider.